Dot cross diagram for carbon monoxide molecule. Carbon monoxide molecule is carbon oxygen triple bond, 2 covalent bond, 1 dative covalent bond. So carbon gives 2 electron, oxygen gives 2 electron, and 1 dative bond. These 2 electron come from oxygen atom. So one dative bond is formed by donating one lone pair of electrons from oxygen atom. In carbon monoxide molecule, 2 covalent bond and 1 dative covalent bond. The oxygen gives 2 electron to form dative covalent bond with carbon. One dative bond or dative covalent bond is formed by donating one lone pair of electrons from oxygen to carbon atom. This is the dot and cross diagram for carbon monoxide molecule. Carbon monoxide molecule is triple bond. One is dative covalent. This 2 electron gives oxygen to carbon.